Welcome you again for the second part of this programming for the tip calculator. We're still doing completing the XML file. First of all, on the right part, I'm just going to take it part of it away from the edge. So I can go and say probably a margin left, and I'll give it, for instance, 10 dp. If I say I'll make it 20 dp, for instance, there it is, and I'll get from the right as well. So right here, or the margin, as a margin, from the right, and I say 20 as well, dp, and we can see that actually it came on inside there. Now what we're going to do, we're going to create a couple of text views, text view, and say wrap content, wrap contents, of course, the title, let's say it is text on it. Yes. That is going to be, let's say that's tip here. Size wise and so on, we take it just similar to the ones we had before. So I can take it from here. There it is. Make it nearly the same if possible. I just take this one as well. There it is. I can move some of the parts out of it. It's here. So obviously text twice here. So I can take that way. I've got this one's here. So definitely here. And this one is, it says tip. The ID is below, I can say below the red line. I can say red lines here. Okay, below the red line, same size. Give it an ID. So I can go and give it an ID, and I'm going to say the ID is, for instance, and so it's labeled. And let's just say tip, because we've done percentage before. That's it. Okay, so that's has been done here now. That's it. Let me guess and go and do the same things for the one below us. There I can add the other ones. So I get text view again. That's it. Wrap contents again. That is, and take the same here, and I make it below it. So I tailor it as what we've just done before as well the others. So that's going to be, this one is not going to be, that's going to, we're going to call that one as a total. It is here. There we go. That's a total. And based on the total, I can say that's, is it below? First of all, it's label tip. There you go. Label tip. There it is. There you go. So it's here. So then both of them, what we're going to do, we're going to add this part here is not going to be added text. It's going to be more or less text views. First of all, let's have a look at this one here. More appropriate rather than with this part in here. This one's here. It is. I can go and let's say on width. But if I say match parents, there it is. So that's match parents here. And the same things for this ones here. Let's make the width, make it match parent as well. I can say match parent, there it is, and definitely like that. There you go. So that's more like it looks nice. And then I can put here, and I can say I would like that see gravity in the center. So I can say gravity, that's in the center as well. It is more appropriate. Same things here. I can put it anywhere I want. Here it is, gravity. It is. Let's put center as well. There you go. That's more appropriate. Now Here I'm going to create text view rather than edit text because text views I cannot edit them. There you go. So I've got this part here, and definitely I can go for the second one. And so I can go, I can say another text view. Here's text view, and that's wrap contents. Get wrap contents, and I put space on that. I can take similar to what we've done to the other ones. Yeah, there it is. So obviously the background. On the background, I'm going to say, let me give it background. See that's the green. Comes the greens here. Or sorry, the hash. Definitely. That is. Okay, that's it. Okay, so that's not much parent. Actually, wrap contents. Let's wrap contents. It is. Let's wrap contents as well. Wrap contents. It is. Yeah. It comes here. Base. Um, we put text size. Same what we've just done before. We can take it away from here. It is. You can take all of this here, text size, paddings. It is. That's text edit. It is. So I can take this one here, or I just put them here. Okay. So I can say text size here, and that's be make it 28. It is. And definitely I can go here and say width and make it match parents. It is match parents, and it is. Now I can go and say I want to write off. To write off, it is write off, and that goes to the label tip. It is. There you go. So, and then I can align it to it. I can say line if that's the case. It is, and I can put it with the label tip. Go. So that's more appropriate. With the padding here. I want the padding here. Padding. And that padding. And make it 10. Same size. That's what done. That's good. Here it is. And what we can do, just it is. I can go and I say, we get it from the right and go from left. It's similar to what we've done with the edit text. If you notice, with the edit text here, it is. You can see, there you go. So margin the right 20. It is. So I can go and say margin on the right. It is. And I say 20. It is. That'll be more appropriate, similar to these ones. Okay, the same things. I'm going to take and give an ID here. The ID, I'm going to call ID here. It is ID, and I'm going to call it, no call it amount tip. Okay, that's more like it. And then I can do here as well, and I'm going to go and do text view again. There you go. So that's got match parent, or do it match parent. Same wrap contents here. There it is, and the rest will do exactly the same as we've done in the previous one. There it is. So I can take all of this here, all of this. There it is, and we tailor it as we go along. This comes here. There it is, and obviously this one small little tip. There it is. You notice this is the amount tip. Right, this one. There you go. We just missed on this one here. So we could call that. It is. That's the ID. We need to put the ID here, and the ID is going to say label. Then we call total. It is. And therefore, I can here refer to it. So I can say this one, it is label total. While here, same things, label total. There you go. So that's what it is here. It's looks exactly the same. Right. Now, last thing is we're gonna put a button there. So I can say there it is. There we go. This one's here. The wrap contents. There's the wrap contents as well. There it is. And the text on it. I say text. There it is. Text. I'm gonna say calculate. There it is. If you notice, text size wise, and it is 28 as well. dp. That's good. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in right below here. So I can say below it is, and we can choose either it is. So the last one we did text view here, we didn't give it an ID here, so that's really total, the amount total here. So that is, so I can use ID. That is, and the ID is, let's say amount, and this is total. This one's here, and let me say this one is, let's say below, and this one's here, ID, and let's say the amount total. There it is. Put size, for instance, I can say top margin, that is, and let's say give it 20, then 20, make it 30, if it's the case, there's 30 here. And we're gonna move the center here, so I move it horizontally. So I can go and say center, horizontal center, right? And I say okay, true here, and that's go to the middle, right? And the other thing is what we're gonna do on a click. So I can go on a click, and I say when I click on it, I would like to go to a method called calculate. There it is. So of course I close this once here. There it is. So this is all being done. All we can do now, so this is all completed. Thus here, when you click on the calculate button, there's a method, it's called calculate, which we're gonna write it in Java. So next video, we're gonna start writing the Java, the classes to associate it with this. Thank you so much for this video. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you so much. Thank you.